wait, oh no, oh, wait a minute, I know, you not finna tangle. Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nene, and today I'm giving you guys another wig review brought to you by my little coins that I earned from teaching my little children at school, girl. This wig review is brought to you by myself. I went and picked this unit up because I was really excited about it, and I felt like y'all wanted the tea too, so here we go. Here we are. Let's do it. If you are new to my channel and this is your first time seeing my face, thank you so much for clicking on this video, girl. Because you could have clicked on anybody's video and you clicked on mine. And I just want to say thank you. I would love for you to subscribe and join this amazing family because obviously we are lit over here. Yes, we are lit over here. So make sure you click that red subscribe button and join the family. If you're one of my homegirls, welcome back to the channel, sis. Thank you again for all your love and support. So you guys, without further ado, let's get this wig review. Pop it, yes! Do you see my wig? Girl, okay, let's talk about it. Girl, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Wait, oh no, oh, wait a minute, I know, you not finna tangle on me, because you've been coming through. Wait a minute now. I must be doing too much moving and grooving, too much dancing over here. And the wig said, hold up, we weren't made for all that. Calm down. Calm down. Alright, you guys, I am ready to give you all the tea on this little baby that I am wearing, because as you can see, I am excited because she turned out really good. Like, I was not expecting this. So you guys, this unit is by Outre Hair. This is their perfect hairline 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig, and this is the style Shanice, and I have it in the color S1B30, you guys. So this hairline is supposed to be pre-plucked. You shouldn't have to be doing any of that type of work. High heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it does come with baby hairs included. You already saw me style this unit, and girl, let me tell you, I am just impressed, and I'm excited because I have been wanting me a kinky straight unit for the low for a minute, and I just want to say thank you, Outre, for making this because I look so good. As for shedding and tangling, I did not get any shedding with this unit, but just a minute ago I got my first little tangle. So it is synthetic, you're gonna have tangling, but this one is not major in either of those categories. It is big head friendly, but you have options to make it small head friendly as well, and I'm not feeling any tightness on this big old head, girl, so hallelujah.
Thank you, Jesus. No big head problems. Thank you, Lord. Okay.
So this wig, I feel like the density is really a natural density because it's not too big, but it is a long, you guys. So I'm glad it's a natural density because too big and long could be a problem. So I'm going to stand up and show you guys. Please keep in mind that I am 6'2". So if it's long on your girl and you're short, it may be to your kneecaps, okay? So this is the length. It comes right around bust length, so not too long, and I think this is definitely a good length for this unit. If it was a little bit shorter, that would be great too, but any longer would just be an issue. So I feel like this wig is versatile in the length that they give us. You definitely are gonna get those pre-plucked vibes when you take this wig out the pack because it's giving me scalp. Now you guys know I did use Got to Be glute-free spray as well as my hair wax stick, and then from there I laid my baby hairs, cut them a little bit shorter shorter than what they came. And then I added some pressed powder to that parting space and applied a little bit of heat with my hot comb, and honey, she was good to go. So I really am feeling Shanice because she was easy for me to lay and slay. Y'all know I'm dipping and dabbing into the gluing now. I'm trying to get my professional on, trying to bring out my different crafts that's hiding up in me. Pull them out, Jesus. Pull them out. I need to be showcasing more for you guys. So I'm starting to glue a little bit more. And I must say that this wig is definitely beginner friendly, especially if you really don't know what you're doing with the glue. As long as you know the basics, you are good to go. So you guys, I have no complaints about Shanice, and I'm so happy that I tried this wig. Now the first person I saw review it was Natural Joy 86, so shout out to Sherelle. She definitely slayed, and watching her slay helped me to feel more comfortable with slaying it as well. So make sure you guys go and check out her review on Shanice. But that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna go out with my new wig, girl. About to hit the streets. Well, not like that. Not in a negative way. That sounded so bad. I have to hit the streets, like, girl, what? I don't mean hit the streets, girl. I'm finna go to the post office, but I'm finna go in my new wig. Running my errands in my wig. Like, yes. Can I get a number 5? With a large Coke? Hold the ice. May I speak to your manager? Because something here is just not right. Something here is just not right. I'm not feeling it. Like, yes. I'm so excited. I need y'all to hop in the comments and come talk to me. The things I want to know are y'all feeling Shanice? Have y'all tried her? Do you feel like this would be too big for you? Now, she's giving me a little bit of density, but like I said, I feel like this is a natural, safe density. Like, if I were to have my own hair blow dry, it would be this type of density. So I feel comfortable with it, but would you guys feel comfortable with this type of density? And how do you feel about that we have a synthetic Kinky straight wig that is affordable? Like, girl, I just feel like barriers were just broken. I'm really excited about it. Make sure y'all meet me in the comments. Talk to me because I will be there answering you guys' questions and just chatting it up with you, sis. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys share, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.